Candy Cane Cancel with Expert Village. So in this clip, I'm going to show you how to finish off the inside edges of your shoe bag. So we stitched all the way around. Now you just want to go ahead and trim the edges, and you just want to trim them so that they're probably about 1/4 of an inch. Just kind of get like a nice, neat trim all the way around. And if you're using a fabric like I am, like the cotton back satin, or if you're using any kind of silky woven fabric, the edges have a tendency to fray. So when they fray, it's just more wear and tear on your bag. So what we're going to do is just run a simple zigzag stitch going all the way around, and this is just going to keep the fray in check so that it doesn't start unraveling. Now usually I would use a serger machine or an overlock machine, which finishes off your edges nicely, but most people don't have that. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can achieve a similar results on a regular machine. So you want to set your machine to a zigzag and do a small stitch length, about a 2, and go ahead and line up your fabric on the very edge. And you're just going to simply be doing a zigzag stitch going all the way around. And you want to make sure not to get into the body of the bag, only on the seam allowance.